Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and navigating directly to the Security or SIM card section. This gets you to the controls fast. You need the current SIM PIN to change or remove it, and the PUK as a recovery plan. Once in the SIM settings, tap the PIN control so you can begin the change or disable action. Make sure to read prompts. They explain why the network requires a PIN and what disabling it will do to your device's protection. You select the option labeled Change SIM PIN or toggle the SIM PIN entry depending on your OS. Enter the current PIN when prompted. The phone verifies you own the SIM. If you change it, type the new 8-digit PIN twice to confirm. This prevents typos. If you want to remove protection, choose Disable and enter the current PIN once. Once accepted, the phone updates settings, and the SIM will operate without PIN at next restart. You finish by restarting the device to confirm the SIM PIN change or removal took effect. This verifies network access and settings persistence. If the SIM is locked due to wrong PIN entries, use the PUK code to reset it. Entering PUK clears the block but creates a new PIN, so record it securely. If you don't have the PUK, contact your carrier. Make sure to avoid more than 3 wrong PIN attempts. That's why the PUK exists as a recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.